Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please confirm if you are able to see my screen. My voice is clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, fine. So, in the last class, we were dealing with CECC cascade amplifier. Okay, the general process of analyzing any amplifier, take the amplifier circuit. Okay, go for AC equivalent, and then in the AC equivalent replace the transistor. Okay, right? Whatever the question asked for that. Question asked approximate H parameter, replace with the transistor with approximate H parameter model. Okay, replace the transistor with approximate H parameter model. This is common collector. Okay, so replaced. All this we have seen in previous class. Also, we analyzed input resistance very easy, right? Directly you can see and tell. After certain calculations, certain steps of derivations, we obtained AVS. Okay, in the previous class we completed this also. AVS, how did we do? We took it V naught by Vs. Okay, AVS is V naught by Vs. We have seen this here. Okay, what is V naught in terms of I naught? I naught in terms of IB2 and IX. First eliminate IX. Okay, then I naught in terms of IB2, IB1. Okay, get relation between IB2, IB1, right? Then V naught we get, and Vi is already in terms of IB1. IB1 we can cancel, and then V naught by Vs. Okay, we obtained. We did this in the previous class. This is only revision. Okay, that I have done so far. Fine. So this AVS, this is the expression we got. Okay, this is the expression. See, our subject is like this. Only if you practice, you will be able to, okay, do well. Otherwise, it is very difficult. So please practice. Okay, please practice. And we were parallelly doing a problem. Okay, so this is the problem that we were discussing, right? This is the question. This is the circuit. AVS, I have the formula here. Okay, AVS, I have the formula. Then I have the values. Okay, I have the values. So please be ready with calculators. Okay, all of you have calculators. Need not have scientific calculators. Simple mobile phone will be sufficient. If you don't have scientific calculators, just a mobile phone will be sufficient. Okay, just mobile phone you can use as calculator. It is sufficient. Please solve this problem. Yesterday's class we finished Zi. Zi is nothing but HIE as per the derivation here. Okay, that HIE was given 1.1. We have calculated. So Zi was 1.1 kilo ohm. Next, AVS. As I told you, Z0 we should do at the last, because there is some modification you will do to the output circuit. So let us complete AVS. Okay, AVS is V0 by Vs. V0 by Vs. Okay, we already derived in the previous class. Direct substitution. So what are required here? HFE is required, RC1, RE2, HIE, okay, RS. All these are required. So first, let us note down. Okay, take, please, all of you take pen, paper. I repeat, all of you take pen, paper. Note down the values. Notebook. Okay, right? Please take your notes, pen, right? And first note down the values. Okay, note down the values here. What are the values? Here you can see HIE 1.1 kilo ohm. Please note down HIE 1.1 kilo ohm, HFE 50, okay. I am repeating, HIE 1.1 kilo ohm, HFE 50, okay. Then what are the other values? RS, this is RS 500 ohm, RC1 5 kilo ohm, RE2, okay, RE2 10 kilo ohm. All of you have noted any difficulty? Please tell me. Let us see how many we have. HFE, RC1, RE2, HIE, RS, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5, I hope everybody has noted down. Okay. Again, I am repeating, HIE 1.1 kilo ohm. Okay. HFE 50, RS 500 ohm. This is first transistor. So collector of first transistor. RC1 5 kilo ohm. Second transistor, so 2. Emitter, so E, RE2, RE2 10 kilo ohm. Okay. Any difficulty? Please tell fast. Answer fast, please. Yes, anybody has any difficulty? Say yes or no. Something you say.
No, sir.
Okay, great. So you have noted down the values, I believe. Just substitute here. Okay. Just substitute. Tell me the answer that you are getting. I already have the answer with me ready. We will compare.
154.4.
Very good. Okay. 154.4. Yes. Okay. Just a minute. Let me check the answer. The answer is it plus 154 or minus 154?
Minus.
Yes. Okay. Please note that all these HFE, RC1, all are positive values. There is a minus sign, so obviously gain will be negative. The exact answer, please compare. It is minus 154.4. Okay. Minus 154.4. Right. So what we did in the last class? Last class we obtained the expression for AVS. This class we took a problem, we solved it. Okay. In exam they may give any circuit. Don't worry. Analyze that circuit, get the formula, put the values, solve. Okay. Right. Finish your exam confidently and come off. Don't worry. Okay. So AVS we completed. Let us see what all the question is asking. Question is asking ZI, input impedance or input resistance, we completed. AVS we did. We said Z0 we will do at the last. Okay. AIS. So let us do AIS. AIS is IL by IS. Output current by source current. Okay. Output current by source current. Let us quickly see the derivation for this circuit. I hope you remember the same structure we started analyzing. Okay. The same structure, right? This one. Okay. Same structure we started analyzing. So whatever we get will be, I can directly use as formula for this. Okay. That is how we did for voltage gain, AVS, overall voltage gain. Let us do it for current gain. Okay. Now coming to current gain. Okay. Coming to current gain. Let us split up. Okay. Let us split up. Instead of directly finding AIS, right? If you want, you can directly find out, nothing wrong. Okay. But some intermediate results we already found out earlier in this derivation that I want to use. So I will first find AI. From AI, I will find AIS. Okay, so what is AI? We know very well AI, okay, AI, not considering source, not considering source. So this output current divided by this input current. So I naught by IB1. Okay, I hope everybody know here AI is I naught by IB1. The same thing we are seeing again and again and again and again and again. Okay, I will be more than surprised if any of my students fails, because it is the same thing. Okay, so AI is I naught by IB1. So AI I naught by IB1. Okay, now let us get expression for I naught. Earlier we already have, let us see, okay, I naught here. When I am deriving voltage gain, already I found out the expression for I naught. Let me not repeat it. Let me directly take that equation. Okay, so I naught IB2 into 1 plus HFE. We saw I naught was IB2 and HFE IB2. Okay, so from that I naught is IB2 into 1 plus HFE. We already did that in last class. Let us directly take. So from equation 1, this I naught I am replacing. Okay. Now when I replace I naught, IB2 by IB1. Okay. See here, I naught I am replacing. What is I naught? IB2 into 1 plus HFE. IB2 into 1 plus HFE. IB1 as it is. Okay. So what we did? AI we know very well. I naught we already did. That I naught we are taking and we are putting it here. And we got this IB2 by IB1. Did we see this earlier? Yes or no? IB2 by IB1 have we seen? When we are doing
Yes,
voltage,
sir.
yes, when we did the derivation for voltage gain, we have seen this. So now life becomes very easy. Let us see which is the equation number IB2 by IB1. IB2 by IB1 is here, equation number 6. Yesterday we have seen that as it is, I will take and put it there. So minus HFE RC1 by 1 plus HFE RE2 plus HIE plus RC1. Yesterday we derived, previous class we derived. Okay. So as it is, I am taking minus HFE RC1. Okay, minus HFE RC1 divided by 1 plus HFE RE2 plus HIE plus RC1. So what I did, I just substituted this IB2 by IB1 here. Okay, 1 plus HFE I am taking as it is here, right? Okay, AI completed. AI I have completed. But question didn't ask AI, question asked AIS. Okay, how can I get AIS? For that, see, I cannot directly use this circuit because I don't know what is IS, right? How can I get IS? If I do source transformation. Can anybody tell me what is source transformation? A voltage source in series with a resistance can be replaced by what? A current source in what? What is very good? Okay, very good, correct answer. Source transformation, what it says is a voltage source in series with a resistance can be replaced by a current source in parallel with a resistance. Okay, so what we are doing, this circuit alone, okay, this circuit alone I will take, right? Only this part. I told you this part is isolated from this, isn't it? There is no bridge. So simply I can take this and analyze. So what I will do, only this one I will take, Vs, Rs, Hie. Vs, Rs, Hie, current flowing through Hie is Ib1. So I am taking that circuit again. Vs, Rs, Hie, current flowing through Hie is Ib1. Okay, right? This part, only this part. I am taking as it is. From this, I know Vs, but I don't know what is Is. How to get Is? I should do source transformation. Source transformation means this voltage source. One of your friend has given the correct answer. Vs in series with Rs. I can represent it by current source in parallel with resistance. Okay. Same value will come here. Rs. Is will become Vs by Rs. Okay. Right. But anyway, here we are not writing Vs by Is because question is asking AIS, which is output current by Is. So this Is I am leaving as it is. Okay. In simple words, we are just doing source transformation. Vs Rs I am replacing with Is in parallel with Rs. Same value, I am leaving Is as it is. Okay. Why am I doing this? Why I am doing this is because I got AI. Okay. I got AI. Now I want to use this AI and get AIS. Let us see how we will get. Okay. What is AIS? AIS I can write it as I naught by Is. I have been telling you. Okay. AIS will be I naught. Please note, in the problem they call it IL. Okay. Right. Different authors will give different IL load current, I naught output current, same. Okay. Right. Suppose in question they give I naught, don't get confused. You should be broad minded. Okay. You know what is AIS? The output current divided by the source current. So what is the output current? I naught. Source current, I can't see source current here, only Vs I can see. So source current I will take the equivalent. Here I can see source current. So AIS will be I naught by Is. AIS will be I naught by Is. Right? Now this, okay, this I can split like this. If I multiply and divide with IB1, okay. If I multiply and divide with IB1, can I write like this? Yes or no? The same expression, I am multiplying and dividing with IB1. So I naught by IB1 into IB1 by Is. Can anyone tell me why am I doing this? Please answer. Why I am doing this? What is this one? What is this? Please answer. I naught by IB1. Did we see just now? What is that one? Fast. What is I naught by IB1? What is I naught by IB1? Please answer. Yes?
AI, sir.
Very good. See, I naught by IB1 is AI. So what we are actually doing here is I naught by Is, we are splitting up like this. We are multiplying and dividing by IB1 so that this is AI, which I already derived. I need not rederive it. And this one, okay, IB1 by Is. IB1 by Is, I can see this. Okay, I have Is, I have IB1. So just if I analyze this small circuit, I will finish analyzing the current gain, AIS, overall current gain, considering source resistance. AIS, I can just like that complete. So that is the reason we are multiplying and dividing with IB1. Okay. So we multiplied and divided with IB1. And then this is AI, as it is AI I am taking. Next, I told IB1 Is relation I can get here. What rule I should use? Anybody tell? Similar situation we have seen earlier. If I want IB1 in terms of IS, which rule I should use? Which rule we should use? Please answer. The current that is entering this node is getting divided in this path and this path. So, which rule I should use to get IB1 in terms of IS? Yes? Please answer.
KCL, sir.
KCL you can use, but there is a shortcut. Current division rule you can use. Okay. What current division rule says is the current entering this node, okay, the current entering this node is divided in these two resistance. As per current division rule, the current here, the current in one branch, okay, the current flowing through the one branch resistor, IB1 will be equal to total current, which is IS, okay, IS multiplied by other resistor is RS. I want this current. So, this current will be the total current multiplied by other resistor divided by sum of these two resistors. So, anybody tell me what is IB1 here? IB1 is IS into, please answer fast. Okay, if I keep on telling, it will be boring. If you answer, it will be okay, somewhat interesting, right? So, please answer. What is IB1 in terms of IS? Fast. Anybody? This we discussed earlier also. Turn on your mic, answer. This current is equal to total current into other resistor divided by sum of these two resistors. See, these simple tricks only, KCL, KVL also you can use. A byproduct of KCL is current division, right? Using KCL, KVL, an additional derivation is current division rule. If you use that, your number of steps, okay, will become simple. So, what is current division rule? I already told. Please answer. IB1 is equal to IS into first IS into
ISRS by HI.
IS into RS by sum of the two resistors. Okay. So, IB1 will be IS into RS divided by RS plus HI. Okay. Total current into other resistor. I want this current. So, other resistor is RS. Total current into other resistor divided by sum of the two resistors will give me this current. Okay. So, IB1 will be IS into RS by RS plus HI, that I am writing here. IB1 is IS into RS. Okay. IB1 is IS into RS divided by IS into RS divided by RS plus HI. Okay. So, we are giving some equation number here. This AIS just now we have already discussed. We are splitting, multiplying, dividing by IB1, so that this becomes AI. Okay. This one IB1 by IS, just now the current division rule that we used. Okay, just now we use this current division rule. No, from this we can get IB1 by IS. So, what is IB1 by IS? Can anybody tell me from this? IB1 by IS is cross multiply IS here. So, what is that? Fast.
RS by RS plus I.
Yeah, very good. RS by RS plus HI. Okay. So, this is RS by RS plus HI. This is AI. The same AI expression I can put. I can get the final AIS. So, this is AI expression from earlier equation. I am keeping that. Okay. And right, this is just now the B1 by IS. Okay. Again, this AI I am replacing from equation number 12. AI I am replacing from equation number 12 here. Okay. Just now if we derived AI, that AI as it is we are taking here. So that AI substitute here, AIS. Okay. We are getting like this. RS by RS plus HIE, this part is as it is. Remaining everything. Okay. Remaining everything is the AI. So AIS we got. Right. Now calculate and tell me fast. The same, see, HFE, RC1, RS, HIE, okay, RE2, all these you have noted when we did ABS. Now just we need to substitute the values, okay. Just substituting the values, what you will get? Anybody wants to see the values once again, please tell. Okay, I hope you have noted. So just substitute, okay. I am telling regular practice only the subject will be easy, okay. Otherwise the subject becomes complete panic. There are many seniors, okay, earlier batches struggling with this subject, right? So I don't want that. Practice. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Just simple tricks we are using. Any difficulty, please tell. Sir, I want to see values, sir. Tell, I will put the values, okay? I didn't understand this part. Please repeat. Tell, I will repeat, okay? Don't hesitate. All this is for learning, right? Anybody completed? What is AIS value you are getting? Fast, please. I have the answer ready. If you tell me, I will compare. Just a substitution, nothing else. Okay, I hope you have noted down the formula. Quickly, let us see values. HIE 1.1 kilo ohm, HFE 50, RS 500 ohm, RC1 5 kilo ohm, RE2 10 kilo ohm. Okay, only 5 values. That 5 values, put it here, you get AIS. So quickly calculate, tell me answer. Fast, please. Fast, please. Only less than 10 minutes remaining. Okay. Quickly answer.
minus 0.15.
Minus 0.15. Anybody getting the same answer? Anybody got? Somebody else, please. I think only Akhil is answering. Remaining students. Okay. You should participate. Only if you participate, life will be interesting. Otherwise, life becomes boring. Okay. I teach classes because it is interesting. Fast, please. Next, anybody else got the same answer? Akhil, please check your calculations again quickly. It's fast, please. Quickly, okay? See any problem, right? As fast as possible, as correct as possible. Make it a habit. Day by day, become faster, faster, faster. Okay? Fastly, correctly, you should just substitution. That's it. Yes, Akhil Sai, have you redone? Are you getting the same answer?
I'm getting same answer, sir. Minus 0.15.
Minus 0.15 you are getting. Okay. HFE, how much? 50. All values have you taken correctly? Anybody getting any other value? Please tell. All getting the same value? 493, Soumya. Fast, please. Four nine three. Soumya, are you there?
Yes,
Attending
sir.
up. What is the answer you got?
Doing so.
Yeah, okay. Please do. Huh? Please do. And I hope you have noted the formula. Okay. 489, P Nikita.
Doing so.
Okay, okay, fine. Four seven seven, Devender. Devender.
There is no calci with me, sir.
Phone, mobile phone you use, Devender. Who doesn't have?
Minus 0.30, sir.
And how one person is getting minus 0.15, another person is getting 0.3. So all should get same answer, isn't it? Same formula. Okay. Then same values, all should get same answer. Please check. Meanwhile, anybody wants to see values or I want to see values or you tell, I will open. Okay. Don't hesitate for anything. Last 4 minutes 40 seconds remaining. By the time we should complete, or else again it will disconnect. Fast.
One show the values, sir.
Huh? Okay.
One
Anybody
show
see?
the values.
Okay. The value I got minus 7.72. Anybody getting that? I got minus 7.72. Anybody got the value? Anybody getting minus 7.72? Just direct substitution, nothing. Soumya completed?
No, sir.
Direct substitution, huh? You have the all the Soumya, do you have all the values? HFE, RC1, HFE, okay, RS. Soumya,
Yes, sir.
you have all
Yes,
the
sir, we
values?
have.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please substitute, just substitution, okay? Substitution. You can do like this, 50, HFE is 50, 50 multiplied by RC1 is 5K, okay? 50 multiplied by 5,000, 50 plus 1, 51, isn't it? 50 into 5,000 into 51 into RS. RS is 500, okay? 50 into 5,000 into 51 by 500, into 500 divided by, again this is 51. 51 into RE2, RE2 10,000, 10K is 10,000, okay? Please note, kilo is 10 to the power of 3. 10K, you will take 10,000. 5K, you will take 5,000. Okay, check that. I hope you already know it. So this is 51 into 10,000 plus this one we remember 1.1K means 1100 plus this one RC1, RC1 5K. So RC1 is 5,000 into RS 500, HIE 1.1K means 1100. Akhil Sai still getting the same value?
Sir, I'm getting 0.15 itself, sir.
0.15. See, this term is not multiplied completely. This term is only multiplied to RE2. Okay. Anyway, yes, Soumya completed. 493, Soumya completed.
Minus 0.04 I'm getting, sir.
Minus 0.04. All should get same answer, isn't it? Okay, probably you are making mistakes with the brackets. Okay, each one is getting different answer, means probably you are making mistake with the brackets. Okay, so here this 1 plus HFE is only multiplied to RE2. Okay, this is single term plus HI is single term, RC1 is single term. This whole term, this whole term multiplied with RS plus HI. Only less than 1 minute remaining. Anytime it may disconnect. Quickly tell answer. 2-3 students get same answer. Okay. Then we can accept. Fast, please. Okay. Anyway, all of you do this. Okay. All of you do this. We will see in the next class. Next class is R0, finding R0. Okay. Take homework, 2-stage RC amplifier.